Take 5.
Called me late last night, said she loved me so. It didn't matter anymore for a while. Said she never can and that she never will know. I do it all again, so I'll have to wait until then. If I get drunk, when I'll pass out on the floor now, baby. You won't bother me no more, no more. If you're drinking, well you know that you're my friend. And I'll say, think I'll have myself a beer. She called me late last night and said she loved me so. Well, I guess he changed her mind. Oh no. Well, I should have known it wouldn't be alright. But I could live without her, so I won't even try. If I get drunk when I pass out on the floor now, baby, you won't bother me no more. If you're drinking while you know that you're my friend, then I'll say, think I like myself a beer.
On guitar! Guitar guy! Bladyka!
Maybe someday I think of what to say. Maybe next time I'll remember what to do. She looks like heaven, maybe this is hell. Said you do it all again, promise not to tell. If I get drunk when I pass out on the floor now, baby, you won't bother me no more, no. If you're drinking, well you know that you're my friend, and I'll say, think I'll have myself a beer. Think I'll have myself a whoa.